Okay, here's our kitchen layout. Plan view looking straight down. Our island, as you can see, between the end of the wall and the face of the island, we're about 42. And from the face of the cabinet for the microwave or pantry cabinet, again, 42. That's with the assumption that this island, the length is 88, and it's that way so we have the sink centered in the island. This would be the trash, small drawer stack here, dishwasher, and a panel on the right side. Back of the island, shaker paneling. But this wall ends where it drops down to the 42-inch height. So this wall here, I've got 72-ish on the inside. Refrigerator, I still think it'd look good to do a fridge leg. I understand that that fridge is going to stick out some. This wall on the right of the fridge is only 25. This cabinet will stick out further, but we can just terminate the crown molding into the side of it. Oh, looking at the wrong one, but same idea. Terminate the crown into the face of this wall. Your fridge cabinet, Lazy Susan. This upper cabinet is shaped like this. So those doors open together with some adjustable shelving inside. Base cabinet's designed the same way, only a Lazy Susan in the base. Large drawer stack here, and your uppers. 36-inch range. Your hood, you still have about 6 inches above the hood. Your uppers, spice pull-out, tray divider, microwave, and rollouts here behind these two doors. And we would have an overhang on the back, 12-inch overhang. So if we do that, if we do an overhang, it's not going to be protruding into walking into the hallway here. But there is plenty of room to do an island. And for plumbing purposes, let's see what we've got here. So if we go from the center of the sink to the fridge wall, about 127. Again, from the center of the sink, well, let's go just to the face of this cabinet. It'd be a little bit easier. There's 89 there to see what's going to happen with the plumbing. Living room cabinet, pretty straightforward. Base cabinets, glass doors, glass shelves, and cherry interior. All right, let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.